Welcome to Dream Home Talk. Today we're diving into the world of rustic modern decor, focusing on open-plan kitchen living rooms. This blend of styles brings together the best of both worlds, the warmth and charm of rustic design with the sleek and clean lines of modern aesthetics. Let's explore how to create a space that's both comfortable and stylish. 1. Natural elements. Begin by incorporating natural elements. Think wooden beams, stone walls, and hardwood floors. These materials bring a sense of the outdoors inside, adding warmth and texture to your space. Choose reclaimed wood for a more authentic rustic feel, and pair it with modern, streamlined furniture. 2. Neutral color palette. A neutral color palette is key to achieving this look. Use shades of white, beige, and gray as your base colors. These hues create a calm and cohesive backdrop, allowing the rustic elements to stand out. Add pops of color through accessories like cushions, rugs, and artwork. 3. Modern fixtures and appliances. Incorporate modern fixtures and appliances to balance the rustic elements. Stainless steel appliances, sleek countertops, and minimalist light fixtures work well in this style. Consider pendant lights with an industrial feel to tie the modern and rustic elements together. 4. Open shelving. Open shelving is a great way to add rustic charm while keeping a modern feel. Use wooden shelves to display your favorite dishes, cookbooks, and decor items. This not only adds character but also makes the space feel more open and airy. 5. Cozy textures. Introduce cozy textures through textiles. Think chunky knit throws, woven baskets, and linen cushions. These elements add warmth and make the space inviting. Layer different textures to create depth and interest. 6. Statement pieces. Incorporate statement pieces that blend both styles. A large rustic farmhouse table paired with modern chairs creates a striking focal point. Look for furniture that combines wood and metal, mixing rustic materials with modern design. 7. Greenery. Add greenery to bring life and color into your open-plan space. Use a mix of potted plants, hanging plants, and fresh flowers. Plants like succulents, ferns, and ivy work well in both rustic and modern settings. 8. Personal touches. Finally, personalize your space with items that reflect your personality and lifestyle. Vintage finds, family heirlooms, and unique art pieces can all add character and make the space truly your own. Mix and match to create a look that's eclectic yet cohesive. Conclusion. Combining rustic and modern elements in an open-plan kitchen living room creates a space that's both stylish and comfortable. With the right mix of natural materials, neutral colors, modern fixtures, and cozy textures, you can achieve a harmonious blend of these two styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration.